is going on? My name is AlTone, and this is a perfect little wireless charging station that you can use in your office or bedroom. So it is truly a great little wireless charging station. It's small and compact and great for a nightstand or to use in your desk so that you can charge up your iPhone, watch, your Apple Pencil, and even your wireless iPods. What comes in the box is the wireless charging base station, a removable watch charger, a USB cable, the USB 3.0 power adapter, a user manual, and watch charger installation instructions. Looking at this awesome little 4-in-1 wireless charger, on the front you have an adjustable wireless charging area for your mobile device, a charging port for a capacitive stylus pen, a wireless charging area for earbuds, and removable watch charger. On the back you have a Type-C connection for your USB charging cable. I'm actually using this awesome little wireless charging station in my bedroom next to the bed so that I can keep my watch charged at night, as well as my cell phone whenever I need to. So when I get up in the morning, I can have a nice full charge on both and be able to start my day without having to worry about charging up my devices. So I truly hope this helped you in some way. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I look forward to talking to you again in another video.